I'm going to do a review of Stewart Shops, Michigan's here. And you're probably going to ask what Michigan is. Well, it's not from Michigan. It was actually a thing that was invented around here, Plattsburgh, I think. It's basically a hot dog with like spaghetti sauce, a sweet spaghetti sauce on it. It's kind of like very close to similar to a like a coney dog or something. It just doesn't have like sauerkraut or anything on it. Michigan's have been around here for a very long time. Not too sure what the year was, but a long time ago they were invented around here. Of course, a favorite hot dog, which I'm not a big fan of, is the red hot dogs. You put red hot dogs, which is a red skin hot dog. It's got skin on it, and it's red. And it's a hot dog, and it's called Glazier's, and they make it locally in Malone, New York, which is not that far from me. And you put the sauce on it. It's like a North Country staple, basically. But got a regular hot dog, beef hot dog. With the sauce. And I did put some ketchup on it. And that's what a Michigan is. Very similar to a Coney Island dog, but I think it's better because it's a North Country staple. Anyway, if you come up to North Country, there's some foods that you won't get elsewhere, which slowly some of this food, the people that have moved from the North Country have brought these foods to other parts of the country that nobody knows about, such as poutine, which is was invented in Quebec. It's cheese curds with gravy on fries, and Michigans are two staples of the North Country, basically. Thanks for watching this video here, and peace. I'll give this a 8 out of 10.